What's up, guys? So I am in the middle of my makeup right now, and I figured I would do a wear test and review and comparison on these two setting powders. So I'm going to be testing this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, which has been my ride or die for years and years. And then I'm also going to be comparing it to this Hourglass translucent setting powder, veil powder. So there's been a lot of hype and talk on this powder, and I have not tried it. I've talked a lot about it on Instagram, just asking like what you guys want to see with it. So I decided I'm going to do a comparison video, do one on each under eye, and do a wear test throughout the day. It's going to be kind of vlog style and show you guys the comparison and which powder I prefer. And I'm going to be using my favorite concealer of all time. This is the Too Faced Born This Way. But yeah, basically what really drew me to buy this setting powder is I saw a ton of people using it repeatedly, like over and over. So I was just like, you know, I think it's time for a new powder. I have so many powders and, you know, I didn't need it or anything, but. All right, so first going in with this Hourglass. Oh, it's so pretty. The packaging is so pretty. You know, when I start busting out the accent, that means business right there. Never seen packaging this pretty ever before. I'm of course baking because baking is all right. So that eye is done, and then I'm gonna go in with the other side of my beauty blender with the Laura Mercier powder, which this has been probably my favorite powder that I've ever used, just because it just works so well, you know. This Hourglass one seems a little bit more like more translucent, I guess, even more translucent, like, and even more fine than the Laura Mercier. So if that makes sense. Laura Mercier Hourglass. I'm gonna do my brows and I'm gonna come back and dust off the powder and show you guys what it looks like after that, and then we'll do the wear test. Okay, so brows are done. So now I'm going to go ahead and wipe away that baking powder and see what it looks like after I've done that. They look honestly about the same right now, but we'll see with the wear test what happens. So I will check in as much as I can every couple hours and show you guys the under eyes and see kind of what's going on under there. Right now they look pretty much the same. So all right, so it's been almost 3 hours since I've had my makeup done, and I thought I'd just give you guys a little update of what it looks like on each side. This is the Hourglass side, and then this is the Laura Mercier side. From what I can tell, they look about the same. My only observation really is that the Hourglass seems to be a little bit less matte. Not like it's illuminating or anything like that, but it's not as matte as the Laura Mercier. To me, at least on my skin, it just doesn't seem that way. I don't know, but I'm enjoying it. So I will check in a little later to let you guys know the final result. Hey guys, so I just got back home from work. It is about 12:45-ish, so it's been about 12 hours since I applied the powder under my eyes. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see what it looks like. So this side is the Hourglass, and then this side is the Laura Mercier. And to be completely honest with you guys, I cannot tell a difference. Like, in either side, I just looked at it and I was like, I don't see any difference. I did get like a little bit of mascara under my eyes earlier. But honestly, it looks about the same. I haven't like touched up or anything. I know I don't have anything on my lips, but Hourglass, Laura Mercier. It looks a little bit, they look a little bit the same. They look pretty much the same. So I'm gonna, next time I'm gonna try it, obviously I'm gonna try it on both eyes and see what I think about the powder. I don't know, I really like the way that I applied and everything. It looked very translucent, a little bit lighter, a little bit less matte. So I like it. So there's like a little bit more of a shadow right there. But yeah, I like it a lot. But yeah, I don't see much of a difference or anything between that and the Laura Mercier. So we will keep trying it, and maybe it'll just, I'll start noticing things about it that I didn't notice before. Anyways, that is all for this video. It is almost 1 in the morning. I am exhausted. I've had the longest night at work. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, if you like reviews, wear test, first impression type videos. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for alerts by clicking the bell by my name, and yeah, let me know what y'all want to see next, and let me know down below what you want to see next. Don't forget, I have declutters coming soon, so stay tuned. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.